Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the streetwear outfit in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you're going to color it black and you can choose this face. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the jeans area, which is right here, and then I'm going to select this jeans and apply this pattern, and then I'm going to change the toggle to pocket. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and then I'm going to select this belt right here. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this gloves. Oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong item. Oops, sorry again. Okay, I'm going to select this gloves and then I'm going to remove the fur, make it short, and I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to go to, oops, sorry guys, I'm going to go back here and select the sleeves and I'm going to color it black. Okay, let's move to the next area. I'm going to select this top here. Okay, and then I'm going to apply, for example, this pattern. Okay, then I'm going to move to this area and then I'm going to select this top and apply this pattern. Okay, the next one, I'm going to choose this boot, this one, and I'm going to go to the necklace area. Okay, necklace and scarf area, and then I'm going to wear this earring and color it black for the second selection. Oops, sorry. Okay, and then choose this belly ring and you're going to color it black as well for the second selection. Okay, like this guys, and then I'm going to select this item and color it black. All right, and then what else? I'm going to go to this hat area, select this hat, and then I'm going to choose no ears and apply this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to go back guys, sorry I forgot the bag, this bag, and then I'm going to color it with this black color, and I'm going to go to this area and then select this item, this one. For the color, I'm going to make it black or the dark gray. And then I'm going to go to the changing room and I'm going to select the coats item, which is this boot, and then I'm going to put on eyelash. Okay, I'm just going to select the toggle 3. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create the streetwear outfit for the streetwear theme in Dress and Press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.